Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a talk through, get ready with me, kind of just like a simple little makeup look. I'm in this look, I'm going to be using a few things that I got in my first Boxycharm box last month, February. So I'm really excited. Hopefully some of those products will work for me, and if you're interested, just please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let's just go ahead and jump on in. All right, you guys, I got the hair all good and pushed back a little bit, and yes, I did dye my hair super dark. I'm loving it. It feels so much healthier. When I was bleaching it for just so long, it just really needed a break from that bleach. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. And sorry, it's kind of a hot mess right now, but just bear with me. I'm gonna actually start with my eyes this time. Sometimes I like to do that. It just really kind of depends on the mood I'm in. So going in with my Tarte Shape Tape and using this as an eye primer. Next thing, we're just going to set that primer, and I'm going to just go in with a lighter shade in my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Going in with the shade Tempera, and just pat all that. Make sure that your primer is all dry and set, because if you don't, your shadow will not go on as smoothly as you would like. Not really sure what look I'm going for today, just to be 100% honest with you. I have no idea. But we're just going to jump on in and see what happens. Okay? Okay. You guys, I got so many new brushes from BH Cosmetics. They are so affordable and they're so freaking soft. Oh my gosh. If you've not, if you're on like the market for some new makeup brushes, I highly recommend that you check them out. It's not sponsored. This is just my personal opinion. And yeah, super affordable. They're usually always on sale, and they have like some really good sets too for brushes. So, all right. So first thing, I'm gonna go in with just this shade, Buon Fresco, like this really pretty kind of like a lavender pink shade, kind of somewhat. And we're going to go into the crease with that, just very lightly all over the crease. I'm going to go into like the outer corner to add a little bit of depth and dimension. I'm going to go in with a bit of a darker shade, just with a smaller tapered blending brush. I'm going to go in next with this Antique Bronze. To add that onto the outer corner to add a bit of dimension. First shade that I went in with, I'm just going to go back in with that. Just put that on the outer to kind of help those harsh edges a little bit. For the eye, for I guess the eyeshadows, I'm going to go in with a bit of this shade Vermeer up here. It's just kind of a, oh, let's get that in focus, just like a really pretty shimmer shade, metallic-y. I'm actually going with my finger. I feel like that just, and I'm putting it kind of just all on the center and towards the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go back in with just this fluffy blending brush. We're going to go back in with that Buon Fresco shade, that first, can you see it? I'm sorry, I can't tell. This first shade right here. And we're going to go back like that, just back and forth, just so that all of this kind of blends together. This Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the shade Amethyst in my Boxycharm box. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go in, I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're just gonna put it of on the outer. I've put that on there. I'm gonna go in with this just tapered blending brush. Try to blend that out a little bit. This is really pretty. Like, this is like completely like a first impressions of this because I've not tried it yet. Yeah, this is such a pretty color. It's got like some purple, like it looks like kind of blue, pink, those like shades of glitter in it. That is just like really, really pretty. Now that we have just the eyeshadow base down, everything's good on the eyes, shadow wise at least, I'm going to go off camera and fill in my brows and do my liner super quick just because it takes me forever to do, so I don't want to bore you to death. So I'll be right back.
2,000 years later.
So I guess we should go ahead and start on the face. And for primer, I'm gonna actually just go with my L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Primer. And you guys, I am filming on a new camera. I was using my phone, and my sweet husband got me a camera for my birthday, which was on the 28th of February. So he was so sweet and got me a camera in order for me to film, I guess, better quality and make it a lot easier, because you know, on phones there's just not a lot of memory. It's really sweet that he like believes in me too and wants me to, you know, pursue YouTube, and I think that's just the sweetest thing ever. So I'm very thankful to have him. My Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I am in the shade Soft Beige. I'm making a mess. I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk flat top foundation brush, whatever it's called. We're just gonna buff all of this in. Just this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I've kind of been on this bus lately, I guess.
Why do I feel like I linger?
I'm gonna go in and set that with my Coty Airspun loose face powder. Just gonna dump some of that in there. And I use this in the shade Naturally Neutral. I'm gonna go with one of these new brushes that I received in my Boxycharm box. And looks like it'd be a good one just to kind of set that under eye concealer with. Looks like it's a really good, like, looks like it's like a good shape. And these are really cute. Ooh, that's so push that in. We're not exactly baking today. I'm honestly just setting this. So good. This also came out of my Boxycharm box. It is the Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter collection. Ew, well, these aren't exactly colors that I would, I guess, go for on the reg, to be honest. These are more like fun, yeah, not very natural colors. Going with this like massive tapered blending brush. So we're gonna go in, I guess, just with this kind of, Can you see that? I'm so sorry, guys. With this deeper, like, pink shade. I really don't know. Is it even doing anything? Like, I don't. Like, it's not even. I really don't know. No, this is. I'm done. I'm done with that. We're gonna go in with something I know that works. The Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss. The shade Golden Kiss, because this is, yes, that looks a lot better. I'm gonna take this Blonde Fresco and the Antique Bronze shade right next to it on this little smudger brush, just to go under the on the lower lash line. Let me just go ahead and say, don't spend your money on this. It's powdery. Really didn't do much, honestly. Like, it didn't do much. I don't like it. It's going in the bad bin. You know, with how much I did not like that highlight, I'm actually going to go in with my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I'm going to actually go in with a beauty blender. I feel like this is a way that you can, oh my goodness, you guys. I mean, oh. Like, if you want blinding highlight, go in with a dampened beauty blender in your powder highlight. Oh my gosh, like, it's everything. Love it so much. Oh my goodness. Next, we're going in with blush. I'm going with this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade, what shade is it? In the shade Peach. It's really pretty. I know most people normally contour before that, and honestly, I just forgot. I'm gonna go in with this little brush to contour. I'm going into my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. This thing is phenomenal, and this is in the shade Dolce de Leche. I think that's how you say that. If it's not, sorry. Just to kind of carve out the cheekbones just a little bit. Anyway, with this blush brush that I was using, just to add a bit of that bronze all around the hairline. I have this cute little angled tiny brush from BH Cosmetics. I got it for free with my purchase from the other brushes. So I'm just gonna take like literally like the slightest bit. This stuff is super pigmented, so now that I have my nose on fleek, I'm such a nerd. I'm gonna go back in with this dampened beauty blender with the highlight and put that a little bit on the Cupid's bow and a little bit below the lip also. Love it. For mascara, I'm actually not going to use my normal that I do. I usually use my Essence Volume Stylist 18 Hour. lash extension mascara. But today I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. It's a really pretty packaging, so I've heard it's good, so we'll see. I mean, I'm not hating it, but I definitely would say that this essence definitely is better than the Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. But like I said, it's not bad and it is very affordable, so like I'm not gonna hate on it. Like, it's not terrible. All right, I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lips. I'm going to apply the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose. This is seriously my favorite lip color right now. It's not drying, but it stays on for so long and it just goes on so smoothly. I'm gonna go off camera, apply this super quick, and I'll be right back. So yeah, what do you guys think? I am loving it. It just feels like a good everyday look. The lips aren't too much, the eyeshadow is not too much, and this eyeshadow color I feel like really makes my hazel green eyes pop. So if that's something that you are wanting to do, then I highly recommend some of these like more berry shades, and I feel like they just really make your green eyes pop. So yeah, and well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you never miss another video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I hope I'm not too close. Okay.
I don't know what you've been told, but